Raspberry syrup about 30 ml. Sugar syrup. Add mango juice. This I'm adding juices because I'm making in bulk. Pineapple juice. Okay, blend it. Add some ice for chilling effect. The recipe is 45 ml brandy, 15 ml creme de menthe and 15 ml lime juice. Garnish lemon slice and cherry. This is to be blended or shaken. Add ice. Blend it. Okay, this cocktail is going to be mint julep, some mint leaves, dry or fresh. Add some grain sugar. Put a drop of Angostura bitters. Muddle it with muddler. This is a special summer cocktail. Fill the glass with ice. Put about 45 ml whiskey. Top with soda. With dark rum, white rum, pineapple juice and sugar, lemon juice. Okay, to start with 30 ml white rum, lime juice about 5 ml, (120 ml) pineapple juice, now try and float dark rum. Okay. This is called flamingo. Garnish with pineapple and cherry. First, you make hot water. Dip the tea bags. Make tea first. Add mint leaves to the glass. Slightly dash of 5 ml lemon juice. You have to put at the bottom, otherwise tea will be dusky. About 30 ml of sugar syrup. Add cherries. Finally, add the tea. So this is iced tea, mocktail, which is very cooling in these days. So today we end up our session. Lemon juice, sugar syrup, Fanny. You'll start wiping the top of this.
The name of this cocktail is Silver Sands with
Palm Fanny.
With a pinch of palm Fanny, which is my favorite, and I'm going to blend it now
With pineapple juice,
with pineapple juice,
lemon juice,
and the blender.
and sugar syrup.
This is really very tasty. So let's try.
Yes,
Mr. Gomes?
yes. If we give touch of limca here,
Okay.
add please. It enhances the taste of the drink
Why the limca is poured later on and why it is not blended?
because this is fizzy, and once you blend it, there'll be
Becomes
more
warm.
splash.
Ah.
It's called Silver Sands because a lot of white froth comes over it. It'll be quite refreshing. You can make out
Really
the
tasty. And I can't get the pinch of Fanny which is there in
Yes.
this, which usually people avoid
Yeah.
because of the smell and the odor.
right.
Cheers to the Goans who love Fanny. Thank you, Mr. Manuel Gomes.
Yes.
And
Thank you.
cheers to my video journalist Devendra Gaonkar. I hope you liked today's episode on summer special with cocktails and mocktails, especially for Goans. Keep watching Prudent. Bye bye.